coexisting with nature, if we can coexist with like large carnivores, it's kind of like the epitome or the zenith of nature coexistence. And if we can do that and we can protect them and we can protect the areas that we need in a natural state, then all of the services that we rely upon nature to provide are protected as well. It's like an umbrella. So it's for me, it's like sort of important in that sense. So I would say in terms of like absolutism, is it absolutely important or is it absolutely vital? Probably not, but it is too valuable to ignore in terms of changing people's attitudes. Because if we do not change people's attitudes and we continue down the same road we're going, it's going to be a bleak future for us, and it's going to be a bleak future for I don't know, like our kids and the next generations are going to, I really think they're going to look back and say they absolutely shortchanged us with how they treated the world and how they treated nature and how they valued it, because now they would have so little, and already in a way we have so little, we just don't know it. But the more we look at it, the more we study it, the more that we communicate this, it's clear to see that we are already shortchanged, and everything we do is important in that sense.